Ano ba mga kabalen? Kumusta kayo po? Ako'y Luis Season, abe kay Mark. From where in Pampanga, tuyo kami po ngayon kay Samgyupsalamat. So, tuyo po ini kay ngarap ng Vista Mall, San Agustin, City of San Fernando, Pampanga, along MacArthur Highway mo po ini. So, napaka-accessible. Puri pong pakit kaya kayo, nanong sa serve da kay ni Kilub Samgyupsalamat. If you have been hearing stories about this place, grabe, sobrang kadakal tao. Tutuya po yung dindam yun. Dakal po talagang mamangan kayo. And it's for us to find out bakit nakal mamangan. Today, we're just gonna show you itong food na sa serve da Kenny. So on our table, as you can see. Wow! Later on, as we eat, let me explain kaya kayo nung siya magkano po yung pricing Kenny and makano yung serving. So, ito, let's get it on! Okay, so while that's cooking, ito, isabihan tala ring price Kenny. So tilangaman mo na happy hour between 11 a.m. hanggang 3 p.m. So for the unlimited pork, it's 399 pesos only. For pork and beef, so ibig sabihin you have 5 variants of pork and then 5 variants of beef. It's only 449 pesos. Now comes 3 p.m. up until 2 a.m. So ang price natin dyan is 449 pesos and then 499 pesos for the pork and beef naman. Grabe, sulit. Nadakal pa mga Kenny. One unique dining experience Kenny is itang karelang unlimited cheese. Ayan, no? Wow. So I've been to some other samgyupsal restaurants. Yeah, they serve cheese included dyan po kitang order and tamo. It's actually limited, but this one, look at that. Takman tayo. Wow! Amazing! Wow! Look at that! Wow! Except kitang soju, gana-gana nga kakit yung table me is unlimited. So order all you can, including side dishes, kereng meat, pork apong beef, japchae, what else? Pati niya mo namang soup. As soon as you come here, makyula po ding numbers you. So nung madakal tao, of course you have to wait for your table. And then, watang na may free pa table, like this one, itang keto. So they're gonna clean it, and then prepare yung itong table, and then when they call you, maka-ready na yung table. So, bala mo, diretso na kamangan kanta. So before the video ends, buri ko lang pong commend ding staff and management, lalong-lalo ning magluto da Kenny keng Samgyupsalamat. Grabe, nakanyaman po yung pamangan, sobrang sulit, ang nakarakaling option. So, ito, numaniton kayo pong samgyupsal. Lagay po kayong number 1 list yung ining Samgyupsalamat.